Tripur Bhairavi ritual is one of the Mahavidya in the series of 10 Mahavidyas, and Bhairavi means partner. This ritual, when performed and your desire is nothing, then it provides dharma, arth, kam, moksha. It takes you from an ordinary state to the state of enlightenment and to the state of liberation. And when it is performed with the desire of having something, it renders you a decent and nice family life. The love becomes eternal, and wherever you sit down, love flows. Love converts from doing to a state of being. There is love everywhere, in every aspect. All the family members, especially your life partners, becomes happy with you. A very strange harmony is maintained between both the partners. If you have difficulty in your partnership issues, if you have difficulties with your life partner, with your husband, with your wife, you must try this ritual to attain harmony in married life. How we perform it? And before performing, I think I must mention that this ritual is very helpful for everyone, as there is no one who doesn't have difficulties with their partners. They have some difficulties, somewhere harmony is not there, somewhere something is missing, somewhere love is missing, somewhere you are only in illusion of love, somewhere because of having children you are not able to concentrate on your partner. In all these circumstances, this ritual is very useful, and therefore whether you want to enter the field of spirituality or not, you must perform it to have a nice, decent Bhairavi or Bhairava in form of your partner. Every ritual is performed by doing Shodasopchar, Panchopchar or Mansopchar Pujan. Shodasopchar Pujan is ideal, and we must perform if we are capable to perform Shodasopchar. If not, we can do Panchopchar, and if your capability is still limited, you can perform Manasopchar, as everything is present in the universe. We take it from universe and offer. Whatever suits you, whatever way suits you, you can do that. But if you are capable, I will suggest that perform Shodasopchar Pujan before starting the ritual. The ritual has these many parts. It starts with Vinayog, Rishi Nyas, कर न्यास, हृदयादि न्यास और अंग न्यास. Prayer to gurus, Param Guru, Parapar Guru, Parmeshi Guru. Prayer to wisdom giver, Ganesha. And prayer in your heart to your Ishta, and that is Bhairavi. And after these prayers, we perform Vyapak Nyas. After performing Vyapak Nyas, Matruka Nyas is performed. After Matruka Nyas, we go into meditation with the help of meditation mantra. Then do pranayama, chanting and pranayama again. Offer our chants to Goddess. It's called Jap Samarpan Mantra. And then we do a prayer. That is how our ritual is completed. Let's try and do it. Om Asya Shri Tripur Bhairavi Mantrasya Dakshina Murti Rishi Panktis Chandaha Shri Tripur Bhairavi Devta Vagbhom Bijam Shakti Bijam Shakti Bijam Shakti Kamraj Kilkam Shri Tripur Bhairavi Prityarthe Jape Vinyoga. Then we do Rishinyas. Om Dakshina Murti Rishe Namah Sirasi. Om Nivrishtandase Namah Mukhe. Om Tripur Bhairavi Devtaye Namah Hrede. Vagbhom Bijaye Namah Guhe. Shakti Bijam Namah Padayo. Kamraj Kilkaye Namah Nabho. Vinyogaye Namah Sarvange. Then we do Karnyas. Strang, Shabdamasting, Tazanivyam strong, Madhibam strang, Anamikabhyam strong, Kanishkabhyam stra, Kartal, Karprastabhyam Namah. Hridayanyas, strong, Hridayana string, Sisa strong, Sikhaya Vasat, strong, Kuchaya Hom, strong, Netraya Vasat, stra, Astraya, fine. वामे गुरुभ्यो नमः परम गुरुभ्यो नमः परमेश्वर गुरुभ्यो नमः दक्षिणे गणेशाय नमः मध्ये स्त्रीं त्रिपुरभैरवी देव्ये नमो नमः. This is then Vyapak Nyas. String, 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 string. Then is Matruka Nyas. After performing Matrukanyas, we do the meditation. Meditation is being done with the help of meditation mantra. In meditation mudra, this is the meditation mudra. Put it here, cover it with the cloth. And I am not covering here with the cloth so that you can see how I am doing, but if wherever you do it, you please cover it with some cloths. Udyadbhanu sahasrakantim arunchobham triyomalikam Rakta lipt payodharam japvatim vidyam bhitim varam Hastabjair dadatim trinetra vilasat vaktar vindasriyam Devim Badhiman Suratna Muktam Vande Sumand Ismitam. Then perform meditation for some time. After doing your meditation, you must do pranayama, chant and pranayama. See how we do it. Then start your jap. This agan has to be covered up with cloth, but I am again doing it here so that you can see. Do the chanting as much as your Guru has told you. An hour, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever is in the instructions, or in 1,000, 10,000, 20,000, whatever is the instructions. And after doing the jap, you must perform once again pranayam. Jap Samarpan, that is offering the chantings to the goddess. Guhyati guhigopti tvam grahasmat kritam japam siddhir bhavatu me devi tat prasadan maheshwari. Offer a prayer after this. Mahapadmanante Paramanand Vigrahe Sabd Brahmamayi Swachhe Vande Tripur Bhairavi. Vande Tripur Bhairavi.